Hi! This month I thought I'd have a go with the Welsh words connected with the topic revision, adolygu. Can llaw adolygu, nodiau post-it, cadiau fflach, maciwr amlygu. Revision guide, can llaw adolygu, post-it notes, nodiau post-it, flashcards, cadiau fflach, highlighter, maciwr amlygu. Premeser, cyfrif Rhiannell, papur a holiad. Ruler, premeser, calculator, cyfrif Rhiannell. Exam paper, papur a holiad. Other words connected with revision. Break time, amser egwyl. Sleep, cysgu. Help, cymwth. How will you relax? Sut wneith di ymlacio? Taking breaks and relaxing during revision time is going to be really important. Here are a few ideas. Dyma syniad I chi. Pob lwc am arholiad. Good luck with your exams.